For question number 4, we're looking to rearrange the letters of the word travel. And if there are no restrictions, well, our first event is to pick one of the letters, of which I have 6 choices. But then I've already used up 1, so I only have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Whatever I have picked here, I only have 5 choices left. And then I've already used up 2 digits, so I have 4 choices, then 3 choices, then 2 choices, and then just 1 choice. So in fact, this is 6 factorial. We also could think of this as P of 6 things taken 6 at a time. I'm using all 6 of them. Now for part B, if it must start with a T, well then I don't have any choice. For the very first letter, I only have 1 choice. I've used up the T, then I have 5 choices for the second slot, then 4, then 3, then 2, then 1. So essentially this ends up being 6 factorial, which I can think of as basically the only arranging I have is 5 of those remaining non-T letters, and I'm going to use up all 5 of them. Then it gets kind of complicated. It starts with a consonant. Now, so if my first event is to pick that first letter, of which I have 1, 2, 3, 4 consonants, and my next event is going to take care of that restriction. I know it's going to end in a vowel. So for my last letter, I only have 1, 2 choices. But then I have a consonant here, a vowel here. I've already used up 2 of the letters, so I have 4 left over for my second slot. Then I have 3 left over, then I have 2 left over, then only 1 left over. So this is going to end up being, well, it looks like 4 times 2 times 4 factorial. So 8 times 4 factorial, and 4 factorial, I believe, is 24. So whatever 8 times 24 is, and I get 192. If the letters T and R must stay together, this gets a little bit tricky. So here are my playing pieces. I have TR, and then I have an A, a V, an E, and an L. So basically, if this was, say, a Scrabble game, I'd have 1 playing piece here, 2, 3, 4, 5. So that's just going to be 5 factorial. For my first slot, I can have the TR, then any one of these, and so forth. Now, here's the problem. That's going to give me 5 factorial, happens to be, I believe, 120. 5 factorial is 120, but I have completely neglected the times when I might have R first, and then T second. So that's also going to give me another 5 factorial. So I have 5 factorial plus the 5 factorial, or 2 times that 120, which gives me 240 ways.